Okay, we'll sew them together. It's not common, but it's very hard to find a new one that will fit, because Nissan don't have them anymore, and I don't know if somebody else is doing exactly the same, that cover on this side. This is the left side of the mud flaps, and we will try to fix it. I will connect it with some wire and back left, and then we will glue around it. I'm going to put these small wires that are used to close some bags into these holes, both sides, and then we put some glue, nice glue around it, Ultra Black. Very simple. Put one here and then tie it on the other side, and we'll do the same here and also on these points. Okay, we tie it up. It's look okay. Everything is sealed. Now it's time to trim the edges nicely and put some glue on top of it. Inside it's look like this, which is okay. Okay, now some glue on top of it, and I hope it will hold. I will clean it up a little bit just to make it nice. Okay, now we covered these wires here and also here with Permatec Ultra Black gasket 82180, and it's holding very nice after less than 24 hours. And we also covered it here so it's all perfect, and we're saving quite a bit of money, and we actually cannot get a new one right now. Nissan doesn't have. Now we need to connect it. We have to connect it to this insert here, to this insert, and here and here. I bought new insert, but we'll show you how we do it. Okay, this come on top here, and it will go very nice to all the holes with this screw here, and this screw, and this screw here. So we'll do it separately. Beautiful. Okay, that's how it looks like, exactly as on the other side. The mudguard is installed. Nothing is perfect, but it's good enough for now.